Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. I'm CA Deepak Gupta, and now here is a good news for all of you. Uh, you must be knowing that we have completed one successful batch of Excel certification course, and after completion of that batch, I got many queries from the many participants, and they are asking me to start one more batch of Excel certification course, and therefore I have started. I'm going to start one more batch of Excel certification course from 27th May 2020, and the timing will be of 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And so that in the evening, those who are doing work from home as well and those who are working, they can also come back by 6 p.m. and they will also able to join this course. And recording of this course will also be available. You will get the recording of this course for 30 days. 30 days till 30 days time you will get the recording. So in case if you are not able to join it on any particular day, you can see the recording. Now, in this course, we have covered many new functions, many new features, which you must have never heard it. We will tell you the basics of the macros. We will tell you the advanced features of the pivot tables, which you have never used it, and pivot chart. Also, we will use it, and in this course, we will use it VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is a new feature that is came text to join. These all kind of functions we are going to use in this course, and this is going to be advanced course. So many advanced features you will be able to learn in this course. So if you are from the commerce background, if you are from the CA student, if you are CA who is doing job, if you are CA doing job in CA firm, any finance person, anybody who's having the finance background can join this course, because Excel is the backbone of the finance background person. A finance background person cannot successful without the use of the Excel, because we need Excel in our day-to-day life. We need Excel to do a lot of data crunching, data entry. So Excel is a part of the finance professional. And if our speed on Excel is not good, and if our we are not efficient in using the Excel, then somehow our growth will be stuck, our growth will be restricted. So during this lockdown period, we have already completed one batch on Excel certification course, where more than 2000 participants has attended this batch, and we have already covered completed batch on PowerPoint. We are right now conducting batch on the Tally ERP certification course, which is also going to end in 2 days. So we have utilized this lockdown period. We have done international taxation series also. We have done series on Ind AS and IFRS also. So lot of certification courses, lot of other webinars we have done during this lockdown period. And on the request of the many participants, I'm starting one more batch of the advanced Excel certification course, and timing of this will be 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. I've already informed it. Now, there is no fees for this course. We are charging on the market fees of this course is 6,000, 7,000, which is people are charging for advanced Excel certification course. But here we are just charging rupees 600 for 5 days, and that is only the logistic course. We are just trying to recover the logistic course, nothing else. So please avail this once in a lifetime opportunity and learn Excel from the basics to the advanced, so that once you go to the office after the lockdown, you can tell your boss, you can impress your boss by way of your Excel skills. So this is once in a lifetime opportunity. We have already got many registration, and our registration will going to close very soon. So link to join this course I've given in the description, and in the description I've already also given what other functions we are going to cover in this course, and day wise schedule also I have given in the description. So please see the description. Please join this course if you want to learn Excel, if you want to be hero in Excel, from zero to hero if you want in Excel, then this course is for you, friends. Now I would like to say that thank you very much for giving me the so much of love during this lockdown period, for love you have given in the Excel first batch and PowerPoint batch and Tally batch. Now please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed this channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get all the updates about our certification courses and all the updates about our Excel videos, videos on the Tally as well. So I'm keep sharing. I will be keep sharing videos on Excel. I will be keep sharing videos on the Tally and PowerPoint. So uh, today also I've shared 2 3 videos on Excel. So with these videos, I'm trying to cover small things which are relevant in our daily life, which is daily life in office. So thank you very much.